What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It is early Sunday morning, not too early, it's like 9 o'clock in the morning, but I'm gonna go pick up Drew, and we're gonna go pick up his BMW 3 something and something, because we're starting a new project. I want to be clear here, this is actually not really a new build, because for any of you guys who have been around for a little while, the BMW actually has been on the channel before. We stripped it out, we put a dual caliper setup on the rear. We're getting ready to do a few other things to it, but then Drew got busy with work. I was traveling and doing all my stuff here with both the channel and RTR, so we really had gotten away from the project. Well, now the thing has broken down and it's been sitting at his job, so we're gonna go over there, pick it up. He was gonna basically give this thing away, and I said, why would you do that? We could sell this thing, make some money. As you guys all know, we've been working strictly on the RTR Spec 2, trying to get that up and running. I don't like to bounce around between projects too much. I like to stick on one thing, so that way you guys can watch it all the way through. So that's why we haven't moved on to the F-150 or the Mini or anything. So you might be asking yourself, why are you going on to the BMW now? Well, the reason for that is because stuff costs money, and even though I do work for RTR, I still have to pay for the stuff I get from them, and I also had to pay for all the stuff I got for my engine and everything else that's going on. And I'm not a big channel. I do decent with my job, but I also have bills to pay. I have a house. You've seen Gabby, she's not cheap, so we got to take care of the kids as well. This means occasionally getting stuff to sell, like we did when we sold a lot of the parts off of the Mustang RTR Spec 2. So now this here, with us fixing the BMW, selling it, we'll be able to split the money, and I'll be able to go get some more stuff. Because we all know I still have to get the headlights for this thing. I got to get the wide body fender flares and a few other RTR bits. But right now, the most important thing to me is getting those headlights, and those headlights are not cheap. So we're gonna roll over to Drew's, pick him up, get the scoop on what's gone wrong with the car, and then go pick it up. All right, well, here it is. It's been sitting here for a while. How long has the car been sitting here, dude? It seems like it's
since like
it's before Corona.
May of last year.
Yeah,
it's been here over a year.
Over a year. Jesus Christ. We gotta air up the tire here real quick before we get it loaded up. Yeah, a little bit of work, but it'll be all right. And what did you say went out on it?
The throwout bearing.
So are we gonna be able to drive it onto the trailer?
Put it in neutral and push it on. Fantastic.
Awesome. As you can see, adding to the fun of all this, it has begun to rain. We actually got the car in gear. Drew's gonna try and line it up, and we're gonna try and just shoot it up here and hope that we get this on the first try. Yeah? Damn it! Yeah, the wheels were lined up. Everything was good, man.
We're gonna have to push it. Damn, the windows up.
Ah!
Unhook the trailer from the truck real quick and get it started back up.
Yeah. It's nice to see one of us came prepared.
You can put this on if you want. It's a full body suit.
I'm wearing a bodysuit that he had. Doesn't really fit me, he's a little bit shorter, but we got the car started again. It died because we weren't sure if it was lined up right. It was lined up right. I do a great job with all of this stuff. He just didn't trust me. So hopefully we can get this to shoot up there. Are we gonna try and attach the truck back to it before we try this?
Huh?
Are we gonna try and attach the truck back before?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, just making sure, because I've done that before and it turns out bad, always. All right, take two. Need to push it to get it in gear again? Okay. You're lined up though. Ah, oh my God. Will it start?
You want to try pushing it on?
I guess we can try. It's gonna suck balls though.
We're gonna need to get this window back up though.
Okay.
Um,
Well, if we at least get it on, we can bring the truck around and jump it.
yeah.
Damn it, so close. So it died. We got it halfway up the ramp. Well, more than halfway. We're almost there. The tires hit the back and it stalled out. I ran out of gas. It was my fault. I couldn't push anymore. So we're gonna see if we have the load ring to go on the front we can screw in, or the tow hook, however you want to call it. Strap it in, ratchet it up a little bit, and try and get this thing all the way on here, because we are close. Oh, it wasn't my fault. It's hit, the wheel is rubbing on this side. The wheel is rubbing against the fender on this side. That's why it stopped. When I was trying to push forward, that's what stopped it. And we might be able to do it. We had a casualty, he hit his head, but other than that, we got it on here. We were able to wedge some stuff up here in the ramps and up there so it didn't roll back on us. So we do have it on the truck. Now it's time to start strapping it down, but we do have to bring the truck back around for the battery one more time to roll up that window, because again, it's Houston. There's a hurricane out in the Gulf and it's raining, and we don't want to flood this thing before we get it to its new owner. It is raining more out here now. We are just rolling up the window. Drew's got it pretty much up right now. Hopefully it will go all the way up. Did it go all the way up? We just need to reconnect it, get headed on the road. And I wish we would have brought a bucket and a mop, because it's wet and gushy out here. It is just not fun. We have the BMW back at the garage, safely tucked in along the side here. Outside of some rain, not too bad. Now that we're here by my house, it's kind of sprinkling, nothing too crazy. So what we're gonna do is just park this here for now. And then in a later video, we're gonna go through and go over the vehicle, show you all of the things that have been done to it thus far, what our plans are for it, and maybe one of you can buy it. Who knows? We'll see, but that's gonna be in a later video. Until then, that's Drew right there. I'm Jordan. See you guys later. Peace.